Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to delete chats from both sides on Telegram. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Telegram account. Just like so. Having opened up your Telegram account, next thing you need to do is to select a contact that you want to delete chats from both. So I'm going to use this particular contact right here. Next thing you need to do is to click and push down on the chat, and this is going to pop up. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on this trash bin icon from the top, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply check this. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on delete. Boom. With that, the message or the chat is going to delete from the both sides on Telegram. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to delete chat from both sides on Telegram. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.